Here now me father hand, so you could go ahead and feel so that you better done. Don't try to start in on me DM, now what's up at all. At times them really make me feel cool and proper style. Every day, every day.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back with another video for you guys. Right now I have an upcoming artist out of Trinidad named Ninjah. You understand me? Song called My Life. And it is Tuesday, so you know, so them I cut the lawn outside. Hopefully do not hear what going out there, so because me don't want to hear that. But we could go in the description of the video, which is right there, so under the video, and so what going in there. You understand me? Alright. Production. Written by Ninjah, produced by oh my gosh, this is so many people. Para Music Group, big up yourself, you understand me? Yes, executive producer, Para Music Group. Company production, APKT Photography, big up them same time, you understand? Director, Emmanuel Alexis and Akim. Alright, I'm not gonna read out all of them, and people big up on yourself. Is it me? I say special thanks to everybody, right? So still big up everybody, man. Go to the description of the video and see everything for yourself. You understand me? Make us see what I'm going for the song right now. You understand me? So apparently this Akim been doing music for a long while, you understand? From my information. So make us see what I'm going. Right now. Vibration sounds. It's a movie time. Hold on there. It's a movie we are watching right now. And a music video this. Alright. Wanted, Dead or Alive. So what the name there? So I basically, alright, so Ninjah wanted people. Go on.
So it's Ninjah He's from a hidden village in Belmont.
Sure. Why you wanted? So you wanted to with a big body girl? Are you wanted to know with a big body woman there? My apologies. Go on. Them catch him? Them catch up to him now? You can't, a gunman that, you know? He done. Movie start. A swordsman this? I joke, I know say my swordsman. Me say I'm pretty good with the sword. But we never know say you can chop bullet. Me never know say you can chop bullet. And that's why your traffic's gone too. No sir. Yeah. Ninjah might not need that pants. Oh, go on, son. Watch out. No, why not pause? Hear the movie sound effect them. Wanna see the visuals? Wanna see? And the music video me I react to. Is that sure? Is that sure? Is that sure? Go on. Some man you have big knife. How much trouble you? You have Black Jackie Chan. We have Black Jackie Chan. Give them the monkey dance. Yo. Don't follow me, huh? The man will kick me on my backside. Yo. Go on. Yeah.
A Ninjah.
Song start now.
PMG production.
Yeah. of them come for him.
Jamaican shout out to them.
For my life, every day. Every day, me don't know the strongest, go through worst thing, but I have a way how him do things. For my life, every day, me don't know the strongest, go through worst thing, but I have a way how him do things.
What you know about when me never act nothing, then everyone you love I hate when you make something. True, but not everything I push button. Do not take man free game, free fire upon him. True, enough friend I disappear suddenly, dog. But when you need advice, them a day, Lord. And you allow me, I trust in a day. And a bitch told me out, now them want give it back now. Some tag along just for your mention in your story. But hold it on and take some.
You see how long, me stop. Me stop amazing song now. My life. Run back look a bit in that song because enough of them boys that talk to you if you mention in your story, dog. Enough of them only friends for things that them can get from your dog. Well, we know it's already, you know, brother. You understand me? Talk to with it, Ninjah.
True, but not everything I push button. Do
Yeah.
not take man free game, free fire upon him.
Yeah.
True, enough friend I disappear suddenly, dog. But when you need advice, them a day, Lord. And you allow me, I trust in a day. And a bitch told me out, now them want give it back now. Some tag along just for your mention in your story. But hold it on and take some word to literally, dog. Bang when I mean I feel so mentally. Me still push up, can for kill you physically, Lord. Just put me anxiety in on me father hand. So you could go ahead and feel so that you better done. Don't try to start in on me DM, now what's up at all. At times they really make me feel cool with a proper style, Lord.
Every day.
Yo, pause. Me know so that kind of nine. Me never really hear so I adjust it from now, that. But every Tuesday, them brother ya come, them bomb buckle belt. Nice of people, yeah, dog. Yo. And them hurt them mother, but at the same time, I live ya. And I'm there, I make video them time I there, yeah. Cha! But when true, I like the song so far, you see me, I say, I'm telling him about him life and everything. It's a little uplifting song, you see me, I say, I can listen to that song, yeah.
Me don't know the strongest, go through worst thing, but I have a
That's true,
way how we
that's
do things. For my life, every day. Me don't know the strongest, go through worst thing, but I have a way how we do things.
That clash buckle could not wine with me, but close friends just stay far from me, Lord. Just don't judge every day, me pray. A long time me done spray the place, Lord. Can of them will walk on you like
please up everything to blow
Keep a
me,
shot.
but more, for one question for you, Mr. Ninjah. You're in a movie, you do movie and then thing that too, because if you not do it if you start, do it too. You understand me? Sorry for the nice people, but yeah. What else did it? It's like what I get from the video is like in my show say, yo, my show the stress say every day is a fight in them life basically, you see me I say, and that I go on literally. Yeah, see it. I get fight. You see me I say, so what I get from the video. I know if I'm right or I'm wrong. You understand? Alright, how about this? Yeah. What?
Tell me right if them play wrong. Make the people fall like stew young. Come in a mix with no fish like stew down. Them ask for help, but when you want them never get you back.
What about too?
Hey, just a bag of chat. Some gyal act like them you check, but them is just a act. Hey, me just a tell you that. I pair truth, it is the fact how them want me react.
I'll be a woman forward now.
Listen me cardiac. So when me roll up in the men's and see the chariot.
That is a dance.
For my life,
Sorry.
every day. Me don't know the strongest, go through worst thing, but I have a way how him do things. For my life, every day. Me don't know the strongest.
Even the girl turned upon him and me call a beautiful woman a while ago, no? You lose your status there right now. That status they gone. It gone. But my show no him life people. My show no it got people. You me? Yeah man, go on.
The worst thing, but I have a way how him do things.
No, him chop the bullet. Him chop the bullet. Video done. Alright people, go check out Ninjah song. Link to the original song will be down below in the description of this video. As you may, so go make it a reaction by sending over there. So yeah, I like it. I like the message in that video too. You understand me? It's good. It's good. Yeah. So is my Ninjah. Boom.
Peace out.